Harriet walking around with a pillow on herself. I didn't put the pillow there. She slept on that side of the bed. This is the pillow I give her to sleep on. And this is her walking around with a pillow on herself.
Getting dressed, I hope.
Can I eat my breakfast, please?
Torturing that woman.
I was a junkie because I wanted to escape from my mother.
We're watching American Horror Story Hotel, the one with the vampires and Lady Gaga.
We're gonna miss the open.
I don't have space for any more art.
Stay on your side of the bed. Go, go, go.